Welcome to Tech. In this video I will tell you that how to turn off comments on Facebook. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe my channel for such an amazing videos. So let's get started. First of all, open your Facebook account. Then select the posts on which you want to turn off comments. So on post you can see three dots. So here you can see who can comment on your post option. So here you can see four options. We will select last one, that profiles and pages you mention. So in this way public cannot comment on your post, only your mentioned profiles and pages can comment. So in this way you can turn off comments on Facebook. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel for such an amazing ideas. Thanks for watching.